Morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. Now what do I have today in my shed? This is the pump of a barber chair. Huh? Well, it turns out my son and my daughter-in-law had 3 and a lot of these chairs, and 2 of them now started leaking. So my son asked me if I could figure out what the problem is, and then we can order the seals and repair them. At this moment I got 2, but in time the other chairs will develop the same problem, I'm sure. So now I'm gonna take them apart. Let's have fun. Come on over and we start. Now guys, as you can see, it leaks over that seal. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this baby off. I'm sure that isn't too difficult. 17. Yep. See it? No, not too difficult. No, not too difficult. This one out. One of these. Then we have to give this a smackety smack to get it off. Then, no, wait a minute, I need brute force. There he comes. Up! This one off. Yes. So, and I'm sure a seal has got to slide over here. This one has to come off too. This needs to come out. Now, we take this one, put it over there, and tap it out. Hop. Here it is. It's all straightforward. Over here is a screw, a Phillips. Now take that off too. Oh, it's already, yeah, plastic. Oh, plastic, fantastic. This one out. To take this one off, there are 2 screws over there. This one. Let's have a look what it is. Phillips screw, tiny one. This wouldn't fit. Sure, no. We need a smaller size. Oh, it's a really tiny. Then this one. This will do, I'm sure. Yes. Yes. Oops. Yes. 2 tiny screws. Then we can take this one off. Cap off. Over here is Allen bolt. Look, it's 8. Yep, 8. I really like this. So. Oh, it's not It's not that tight. This Allen bolt out with a washer. Okay, then we need a longer bolt. Now, guys, with the right tools, it's really easy. Well, easy, huh? No, there it goes here, and the one underneath there. Loose, loose, yes, yes. This. Maybe, no. Yes, no. Carefully give it. Now, guys, yes, there it goes. Over there. See? Sort of tapered this one out of the way too. Now let's move on. We need to remove this bugle. There is an Allen, but it's a bit hidden behind that. But I can't go any lower. So this baby has to come off. Easy to get that one out. See? Yes. And in here is another one. See? Yes. And now take it out. There he is. Up, see? Two dents over there and there. Yes. Now guys, I think you need to take this one out and this one out. Sure, it's not that tight. Now we need a longer one. Yep. Yes, there it goes. Oh, sorry. This one. I must say, Joe, hoppa! Maybe it's better to empty the pump first. I think this looks like a filling bolt. Yep, it's with an aluminium washer. Okay, now dikke olie. Thick oil. Okay. 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 Wait a minute, guys. Over there is still an aluminium washer. We have to take that out. See? Yes. I'm gonna renew this with new washers, probably copper. Wait a minute. Hop. Get it out, guys. Still oil. Oh, wait a minute. And then see, and now we can take this one off. Oh, oops, there. So get this one, put it in here and over there. Let's see. Yes. Wait a minute. Missed. Hey, cut myself somewhere. Goddomme. Here. There is a spring. Spring is in the air. Okay. Over here already have a bit of see? Oh, that's one. There are small balls into it which act as valves, and wait a minute, over here. Here we got another one. Hopefully you can see it in a moment. Now when a bit of those pieces get into those balls, okay, over here is a wait a minute, guys. Let's do this very scientific. Oops, tiny magnet, and then I'm gonna see if it sticks to it. Yes. Wow, this is a big one. Yeah. Got my special screwdriver, watch. Scoop it out. Let's see. It's over. This one. Then, I'm sure I can take this one off too. We gotta put this up in here. Evidence. Paper into it, and then even kijken. There was this one, and that one. We have this one. It's a spring. And then special washer, and watch, it is in like this. See? And then guys, come on, take it clean like this. In here, over there, is another big O-ring. Carefully take it out. Okay, this one. So over here. This is just where the bolts were, but set that out too. Suck it, baby. Okay. Hooah. That is. See? There is a ball with a spring in here. See, as you can see when I poke it. Wait a minute. Guys, I have a plan. I bought a while ago of my Chinese friends this super cheap borescope, so you can, this is a camera, you can peep into tiny holes. All you need is your phone or a tablet. Now, I have my tablet. I'm gonna insert my borescope. Light is on. Maybe put it like this. Maybe you can see it too, but I will. There we go. See? And over there is that. See? There is a ball. And on that side too. And one goes open and the other closes. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil. I'm going to use this oil. That's what my son gave. So, I think he knows what he's doing. Oh, this. Much thinner. Yeah. I like this kind of oil more. And then when we see? Yeah. Comes out. One. Okay. And then see. So we clean that valve. Okay. But now gonna see if that is out. No, it's nicely clean. Okay, nice. This one, this is clean. This is clean too. This is my kind of stuff. Yeah, motorcycles. You know me. Yep. Let's see. Nothing. Nope. It's perfectly clean. Hey. Yes. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a bit of my famous cleaning stuff, toilet paper, in here. So now I'm sure nothing falls into that bore. Then let's have a look in here. Okay guys, then watch this. Let's see what the best way is to take it out. That's on that side. Okay. Oops, something falls out. Ah, that's the thing. Oh, oops, that was in here. Ooh. Yep, it was in here. This one. Now we can take this one out too. No. Okay, and then there is another O-ring in here. We can tap this one out. Easy. Watch. So, I'm gonna mark it. So I'm sure. Up. Yep. Now, guys, watch. Yes. Hoppa. Yeah, we have to. It's a bit, even some rust over there. So then, yeah, we have the same. Okay. Then over here we have an O-ring too. And I think it's the same as the one we had. It is a clean too. There are two O-rings in here. Maybe you can see them. So, three actually. Over here, another one. So, we're gonna take this one out. Now, we already got this O-ring out. But now, in there are two more. For that, I have this, especially for O-rings. I think this one with the, ow! Okay. Let's see. Screw this one in. And now let's see if we can. Yes. Easy. Watch. Take it out. I already got it a bit out. See? Hop. There it is. Then we have another one. Another one bites the dust. Yes, pry it out. Hop. Not sure if it's the same size. No, don't think so. But it is the same size. Okay. Ah, yeah. Yep. there is some sort of a ridge in between, and that gave me the impression that it wasn't the same size, but it is. Ow. Sharp, everything's sharp on that stuff, man. Okay, guys. Yep. Okay, this one over there. I'm gonna close the holes so no filthy stuff can go in, as you never know. This. So guys, that was my video. Take apart the pump of a Barber chair. As you could see, it was not that difficult. I hope you like this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel. I'd really would appreciate that. And of course, give me thumbs up. That's good for the YouTube algorithm. So the algorithm thinks, oh, old mechanic, you have again a great video. Let's show it to more people. So guys, hope to see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.